Hey family, welcome back to this YouTube channel. It's your guy Samuel Adiola Music here once again, and today we are talking about how to show up like a boss in every musical situation. Whether it's a stage with 5,000 people or just a studio session with two friends, you've got to bring your best. So if you have ever asked, how do I stay ready? This video is your answer. Let's go. Your mindset is your backstage pass to greatness. Great musicians aren't just made on stage, they are built in quiet moments when no one is watching. Start showing up like the gig you are on is the Grammys. One pro tip though, before any performance or session, ask yourself, if today was the day someone important was watching, would I be proud of what I did? Preparation separates the pros from the average. Know your material, rehearse transitions, anticipate challenges. Rehearse under pressure. Record yourself. Play in front of your friends or simulate a live setup. Talking about the power of presentation. The music is just one part of the performance. The rest, it's you. Body language, eye contact, outfit, they all count. Record your rehearsals and watch your stage presence. Being consistently excellent. It's not enough to have one good gig. The key to growth is being excellent every time, even on your worst days. Create a personal checklist for every gig. After every performance, ask, what did I do well? What felt off? What can I do better next time? Another thing you can also do is to keep a performance journal. Ask for feedback, be teachable. Another key point is character and humility. Skill can take you places, but character will keep you there. Be the person you want to work with. Treat everyone with respect. You never know who is watching. All right, fam. If you've got value from this, like, subscribe, and share it with another musician who needs to hear this. Drop a comment. What's one thing you are going to do differently? Stay sharp, stay humble, and remember, the world is your stage. Go and shine. I love you guys. Mwah.